Hey everyone, Yogesh here from Utilize Your Business, and in this video I'm going to talk about top 3 mistakes I made it as an affiliate marketer, and I don't want you guys to make the same mistake so that you can be successful much faster. Let's go. Starting as an affiliate marketer, it seems so easy to do and you can be successful. You don't need your own product. All you gotta do is find a company, become an affiliate, and sell their products, and you make money. That was so simple, wasn't it? Oh, when I started as an affiliate marketer, I made a lot of mistakes. A lot of mistakes that put me backwards, where it was hard for me to make money in and out. So I'm going to tell you in this video, I'm going to tell you top 3 mistakes I made it as an affiliate marketer, and I want you guys to not make the same mistakes. Number 1 mistake was where when I was selling a product, I was selling it as to make money rather than selling it to help other person who actually needed that product. Let me explain to you what I meant. I was so consumed with making money where I didn't listen to other people's need, what exactly they wanted, where I was just telling them all about how good this product is, why they needed it, rather than listening to them and saying what exactly were they looking for, what are their problems, and does this product which I'm selling it solves their problem. If it does, they will actually buy the product. So rather than listening to them, rather than coming from the mindset where all I wanted to do was to make money and sell the product whether they need it or not, I had to change my mindset. So if you are an affiliate, change your mindset as to tell them all about the product, not from the point of view of where they need to buy this product or you need to sell this product to them, from the point of view of what will this product do to their problems and how will this product solve their problems. Once you do that, you'll be selling this product, whatever product you're selling it'll be so easy for you to sell. So one first mistake to avoid is stop, listen to their problems, and see if the product you're selling is actually going to solve their problem. The second mistake I made is when I started it, I signed up with a bunch of companies and become their affiliate. Whichever company came out, I became their affiliate, thinking that everybody needs this product, everybody needs that product. So if I can sell that product, might as well make some affiliate commissions. Rather than I should have stuck to 1 or 2 companies which are good solid companies, have a good affiliate program, and you can make as a recurring income or as a high ticket affiliate program. So rather than anybody who just starting it, stop if you're making the same mistake. Do not be affiliate to every company that comes to in front of you, and you are signing to tons of companies and be their affiliate. Look at a company, sign up to 2 or 3 different companies which are solid companies. They have good affiliate programs, their payout is good, and or they have a high ticket affiliate programs so that you can make a good income. And when you concentrate on 2 or 3 different products, I'm pretty sure, just like I started doing it, I started earning a lot more income and started making a lot more affiliate sales. So if you are making the same mistake, stop it. Stop signing up with every company that come around and becoming their affiliate. Stick to 2 or 3 companies and you'll see a difference in your income. Number 3 mistake I made it when I started as an affiliate marketer, and I'm hoping you guys are not making the same mistake, is shiny object syndrome. Yes, you heard it. Shining object syndrome. Believe it, A lot of people have it. A lot of people have the same problem. Including myself, where I thought of anything, any new stuff that came out on the internet, and which is going to be, to talk about how it's going to help you with your affiliate sale, how you can get your sale on autopilot, how you're going to be making, $1,000 a day, or, whatever claim of income. If you are doing that, where you're jumping from one course to another, or jumping from one idea to another one, so that you think that this is going to help you with your affiliate income, stop it. Stop it. Stick with one course or one program till you finished it, until you implement that all the action plan within that course. And once you do that, once the course is good, and once you implement all the action plan within the course, you're going to be successful. Guys, myself as an affiliate marketer, where I invested in a bunch of courses, and at the start of it, I would just go halfway through the course and I wouldn't finish the course at all, and I will jump to a next course, or jump to a next new thing, which is the killer in affiliate marketing. You guys, you as an affiliate marketer, if you are, stick with, like I said, same with the program, stick with one way of advertising it, one way of promoting it, and keep on working on it till you're successful. Rather than, stop looking at any other new stuff that's out there, any other thing that will distract you from earning your income goals. Once you do that, you're going to be more focused on your affiliate marketing business, and you're going to be more successful. Do that and you're going to see the result. So just to recap before I finish this video, first thing is, when you're selling your affiliate offers, listen to people. So instead of selling it, listen to the people's problem and see if your product will be able to solve their problem. Second is sticking with 2 to 3 affiliate offers. They have to be good, with a good company, good affiliate program. They have to be recurring or high ticket item. And third and most important is stay away from shiny object syndrome. If you do that, you guys will be successful. Alright guys, this is it for this video, and if you like it, put the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed to it, and hit the notification button for the next video. See you.